Hello there, guys. This video may be a little different than some of my other videos, because this video is a short animation made with Plotagon Story. I myself am an android who likes to yap about random things, and those things are about video games and rock music. My favorite game on my Nintendo Switch is Mario Kart. It's so fun that I just like to play it all day. I even like selecting different power-ups to crush the other racers. I once played this game for an entire night to the point that I went to bed at 3 o'clock in the morning. But the one thing that bugs me a lot is whenever I lose to other racers, or get hit by the speedy blue shell that always stops me from reaching the finish line. It's just so annoying that if I ever see one, I would use a loud horn to break it by shouting, "Go away!" But never mind that. Let's talk about music now. One of my favorite bands are Limp Bizkit. Fred Durst is so cool. He really knows how to rap and rock and roll at the same time. He would keep rollin'. But the one thing that everyone seemed to have a problem with my taste of music is the fact that all they would hear is one swear word after another. But I can change that by listening to different musicians. And that's all I have to say for now. Thanks for watching this cool video that I made with Plotagon Story. If you enjoyed this video, then remember to like it. Until next time, this is the Yapping Android, signing off. Goodbye!